ମୁଁ କରିବି। I shall do. I shall do. ମୁଁ ତୁମକୁ ଅପେକ୍ଷା କରିବି। I shall wait for you. I shall wait for you. ସେ ପାସ୍ କରିବ ନାହିଁ। He will not pass. He will not pass. ମୁଁ ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ବଜାରକୁ ଯିବି। Now I shall go to market. Now I shall go to market. ମୁଁ ପ୍ରତିଦିନ ସକାଳେ ଠାକୁରଙ୍କୁ ପୂଜା କରିବି। I shall worship to God every morning. I shall worship to God every morning. ତୁମେ ଜିତିବ ନାହିଁ। You will not win. You will not win. ମୁଁ ପରୀକ୍ଷାରେ ପାସ୍ କରିବି ନାହିଁ। I shall not pass in exam. I shall not pass in exam. ମୋ ସାଙ୍ଗ ମୋତେ ଅପେକ୍ଷା କରିବ ନାହିଁ। My friend will not wait for me. My friend will not wait for me. ମୁଁ ମିଛ କହିବି ନାହିଁ। I shall not say lie. I shall not say lie. ବାପା ମୋତେ ମନା କରିବେ ନାହିଁ। My father will not avoid me. My father will not avoid me. ମୁଁ ତୁମକୁ କିଛି କହିବି ନାହିଁ। I shall not say you anything. I shall not say you anything. ମୁଁ କାଲି ଜଗନ୍ନାଥଙ୍କୁ ଦର୍ଶନ କରିବି। I shall visit to Lord of Jagannath tomorrow. I shall visit to Lord of Jagannath tomorrow. ମୁଁ ତୁମକୁ ଅପେକ୍ଷା କରିବି କି? Shall I wait for you? Shall I wait for you? ତୁମେ କହିବ କି? Will you speak? Will you speak? ଏହା ମୁଁ ଚେଷ୍ଟା କରିବି କି? Will I try it? Will I try it? ତୁମେ ତାକୁ ମୋ ବିଷୟରେ କହିବ କି? Will you tell him about me? Will you tell him about me? ମୋ ଭାଇ ରବିବାର ଦିନ ମୁମ୍ବାଇରୁ ଫେରିବ। My brother will return from Mumbai on Sunday. My brother will return from Mumbai on Sunday. ତୁମେ ଜୁନ୍ ମାସରେ କାମ ସାରିବ କି? Will you finish the work in the month of June? Will you finish the work in the month of June? ମୁଁ ତୁମକୁ ଅପେକ୍ଷା କରୁଥିବି। I shall waiting for you. I shall waiting for you. ସେ କାମ କରୁଥିବ। He will be working. He will be working. ମୋ ଭାଇ କଲେଜରୁ ଫେରୁଥିବ। My brother will be return from college. My brother will be return from college. ସେମାନେ କାମ କରୁନଥିବେ। They will not be working. They will not be working. ମୋ ମା ରୋଷେଇ କରୁନଥିବେ। My mother will not be cooking. My mother will not be cooking. ମୁଁ କରୁଥିବି କି? Shall I be doing? Shall I be doing? ମୋ ସାଙ୍ଗମାନେ ପଡ଼ିଆରେ ଖେଳୁଥିବେ କି? Will my friends be playing in the field? Will my friends be playing in the field? ଖରାଦିନେ ମୁଁ ଏହି କାମଟିକୁ କରୁଥିବି। I shall be doing this work during the summer. I shall be doing this work during the summer. ଏ ବର୍ଷ ପୂଜା ଛୁଟିରେ ମୁଁ ଆମ ଗାଁରେ ନଥିବି। I shall not be living in our village during the puja holidays this year. I shall not be living in our village during the puja holidays this year. ରାଜୁ ଭଲ ପଢ଼େ। ରାଜୁ reads well. ରାଜୁ reads well. କାଲି ଏତେବେଳକୁ। Tomorrow by this time. Tomorrow by this time. କିମ୍ବା ଆମେ କହିପାରିବା by this time tomorrow. By this time tomorrow. ଶିକ୍ଷକ ଆମ୍ଭମାନଙ୍କୁ ପ୍ରଶ୍ନ ପଚାରିବେ। The teacher will ask us a question. The teacher will ask us a question. ଆମ୍ଭେମାନେ ଭଲ ଭାବରେ ଆମମାନଙ୍କର ବହିଗୁଡ଼ିକୁ ପଢ଼ିବୁ। We will read our books well. We will read our books well. ମୁଁ କହିପାରେ I can speak. I can speak. ତୁମେ ମାନେ ଜିତିପାର. You can win. You can win. ସେ ଧରିପାରେ ନାହିଁ. He can't catch. He can't catch. ବୁଢ଼ାମାନେ କାମ କରିପାରନ୍ତି ନାହିଁ. The old man can't do the work. The old man can't do the work. ଅଳସୁଆ ଲୋକମାନେ ବେଶୀ ଦିନ ବଞ୍ଚିପାରିବେ ନାହିଁ. The idle people can't live long. The idle people can't live long. ମୁଁ କିଛି ଦେଖିପାରେ ନାହିଁ. I can't see anything. I can't see anything. କିମ୍ବା ଆମେ କହିପାରିବା I can see nothing. I can see nothing. ମୁଁ କହିପାରିଲି. I could speak. I could speak. ତୁମେ କହିପାରିଲ କି? Could you speak? Could you speak? ମୁଁ କାମ କରିପାରିଲି ନାହିଁ. I could not work. I could not work. ତୁମେ ଜିତିପାରିଲ ନାହିଁ. You could not win. You could not win. ସେ କାମ ଶେଷ କରିପାରିଲେ. He could finish the work. He could finish the work. ସେମାନେ ଉତ୍ତର ଦେଇପାରିନଥିଲେ. They could not answer. They could not answer. ବୁଢ଼ାଟି ପର୍ବତ ଚଢ଼ିପାରିଲା ନାହିଁ. The old man could not climb the mountain. ସୀତା ପ୍ରଥମ ପୁରସ୍କାର ପାଇପାରିଲା ନାହିଁ. ସୀତା could not win the first prize. ସୀତା could not win the first prize. ଶିକ୍ଷକ ପଢ଼ାଇ ପାରିନଥିଲେ. The teacher could not teach. The teacher could not teach. ମୁଁ ଯାଇପାରିଥାନ୍ତି. I could have gone. I could have gone. ତୁମେ କରିପାରିଥାନ୍ତ. You could have done. You could have done. ତୁମେ ତାଙ୍କୁ ମନା କରିପାରିଥାନ୍ତ. You could have forbidden him. You could have forbidden him. ମୁଁ ତାଙ୍କୁ ମନା କରିପାରିନଥାନ୍ତି. I could not have forbidden him. I could not have forbidden him. ଗୀତା ଦୌଡ଼ି ପାରିଲା ନାହିଁ. ଗୀତା could not run. ଗୀତା could not run. ତୁମେ କାଲି ଆସିପାରିଲ କି? Could you come tomorrow? Could you come tomorrow? ମୋର ବୁଢ଼ୀମା ତାଙ୍କର ମୃତ୍ୟୁ ପୂର୍ବରୁ ପୁରୀ ଦର୍ଶନ କରିପାରିନଥିଲେ. My grandmother could not visit to Puri before her death. My grandmother could not visit to Puri before her death. ମୁଁ କହିପାରିଥାନ୍ତି. I could have speak. I could have speak. ତୁମେ କହିପାରିଥାନ୍ତ କି? Could you have speak? Could you have speak? ମୁଁ କରିପାରିଥାନ୍ତି. I could have done. I could have done. ମୁଁ ଜାଣିପାରିଲି ନାହିଁ. I could not know. I could not know. ସେ ଚୋରି କରିପାରେ. He can steal. He can steal. सो फ्रेंड्स आज एतिकी. जदि वीडियोटी भल लगी ताले प्लीज लाइक और सब्सक्राइब करी बेल आइकन को प्रेस कर दियंतु जहाँद्वारा सर्वप्रथमे आपण मैंने आमर नोटिफिकेशन गुड़ाक पाइपर. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वाचिंग दिस वीडियो.